Ọ na ịbụ Zion member, na ịbụ Zionite, uto chike nọ lana. Achọrọ m ka ị watch ya video anụ a with obi ọcha gị. Wopụ sentiment, wopụ insult. Watch this video and learn something from it. Ịbụ a true Christian abụrụkwa n'ọnụ. Na ịbụ a Christian means that you have to behave like Christ in all situations. Ekwesị na-afụgo na afụta Christ n'ime gị. And my food the way so many of you never know defend Ebuka Obi art and the home. This is not what Christianity is all about. This is not how a true Christian should behave. So many of you will insult Jupiter Ununime. The moment Madu could anything immediately PM. The next response will be insult. And the home. You people are really bringing bad name to Ebuka Obi. You people are even the problem that Ebuka Obi is going to face if care is not taken. All no one now cause all this hatred against Ebuka Obi. Because the moment somebody ignorantly speak anything against Ebuka Obi, instead of you guys to correct that person as a true Christian with love, the next thing be insult. And so many bloggers now are hiding under the influence that they are defending Ebuka Obi to cause problem for him, and they don't know. Nine na uje na follow Jpac as a Zion member. Jpac abro a Zion member. Malukwani amalu. Jpac is just doing his business online. Jpac Zion when I catch out big time. And okay about the image of Ebuka Obi. Okay. Whether Ebuka Obi on the way haters, on the way they love ya, Jpac catch up with ma. Kedu church Jpac na-aga? Onu wa bondi na follow as a Christian. Jpac is not a Christian, to be honest with you. Jpac abro Christian. Jpac just na funa na Nigerians bụ ndị obuna. The moment in ekwu anything in support of Christianity, they will love you. And that is what Jpac is enjoying. Ona enjoy that favor. Otherwise, go mo to Jpac is we twist here this preaching in Baka. Onos we twist the preaching. We Ezeaku Ebuka Obi kafara Baka na agwa. And so many of you bondi ne follow Ebuka Obi followers ignorantly wanna fall to nonsense analysis of Jpac. Because of it, insult Bata Farambaka. What kind of Christian are you? Two men of God. Can somebody go and find a issue? And instead of you to pray and ask God to bring peace among them, if you may say side about one person, insult about the other one. Jilinya wayo. Iye na abụghị insult. Ọnụ na bring shame to Ebuka Obi ọbụna ma ọkụ na amalụ now. Cheke since Jpac ji wee bụrụ Zion ambassador. Since obido when ekwu in support of Zion na social media. Cheke the image of Ebuka Obi and the image ya after ka Jpac bata. If na Jpac can cause go more harm than good. I don't have any issue against Jpac, but that guy should be very careful. Obri yo obuna Jpac a twist here just to favor him. Because Jpac na social media bụ oto wesi we cause controversy. Oto wesi we cause buzzwords. Ka people we can abia na page ya just to attract traffic for himself, to increase his Facebook money. He Jpac today on a support to Zion. Abraham can another thing no. Because of the kind of blessings ega na enye abụ ndị Zion na-enye nwekwu ya ọzọ. Because of ego ndị members Zion na-enye. Ọ bụrụ na watch ga sometimes Jpac no gree no na Zion member nka jikwa send ali ego. Nka send ali ego. All that ego me Jpac ka join on Zion today. Jpac care about the image of Ebuka Obi. Or care about the image of Zion. Jpac has a good reputation to even defend or be the one defending Ebuka Obi on social media. Jpac has that reputation. All the struggle reputation, yeah. And don't even normally Ebuka Obi should tell him to tell Jpac to remove his name from his mouth. Obligado when somebody questioning and defend Ebuka Obi on social media. O question hebu Jpac. Jpac everybody magasi anywhere bele face. Oh, Jpac is a typical example of na ife nkita Jesu onya mfuku maka na ọ bụ na onyo ha anyị na ọ ga-agbo agbo. Jpac adịghị eje ebe ọ bụ na ọ ma nweta gain. o buluguzo promote ndị native doctor, promote ndị nke ha ọ dịka ọlị ọka si na that side ọmọbaga n'ụka kịta na n'ọnọzọ ndị Zion. And since this guy you take over now, since Obi go be closer to Zionites, go be close to Zion, since attack now from different angle, and all those attacks, I can tell that now 60% of those attacks are coming because of Jpac. Jpac is trying seriously to drag the name of Zion ministry to the mud. And you guys now will not understand this video until Mbogeme. A message for the Abaka pastors we have to only wayo pastors, to only fake pastors. Now Jpac hijacked the message. Not because Ebuka Obi. Now tell me the kind of impression that Jpac is trying to create now. Jpac is trying to create the impression that Ebuka Obi was a fake prophet. That is why he's trying to defend Ebuka Obi and attack Mbaka. Can you tell me Jpac now what they defend? Can you tell me what Jpac is trying to defend in that video Mbaka made? By trying to make it look like no Ebuka Obi can Mbaka na agwazi. Ebuka Obi can na aju. Obi fake prophet on the marenji. Why Jpac just defend the Mbaka? They defend Ebuka Obi against Mbaka. Why? Or some Zion of church not in Nigeria. Or some Ebuka Obi prophet in Nigeria. Why would you so Zion on the Zion of only blues this bullion is candidate legal? Why? Who get you why yo? Many churches today which are members today, but you can hardly see their member online now fighting. Currently now, the people who did source now on social media now, but all these people are defend Ebuka Obi. And all the home, this is not an attribute of a good Christian. Be a Christian will kwesi ena for life on ebi na afọ ko na ekwo na ena afọ Christ n'ime onya. Jpac unu na help Jpac is not even a Christian. Ask Jpac church on again every Sunday. Ask him. Ubuneka Jpac patagolo na no lanu na mepe Bible go Bible bolone. Ona furu go Jpac ikwu okwu na okwu aso be a Christian. Kedu onye be Christian today bụ n'oge niile ya na-achọ ebe na-agba war. Whereas na ihe dị malụ Christ bụ onye udo. Ekwesị ife onye ọbụla be Christian ọ na-ekwu okwu na ị na-afụta Christ n'ime onye ya. And Jpac lack those attributes. Ọ just wulu na-akpa ego na social media. This is the same that once challenged Ebuka Obi. And today now, you hail as a Messiah. This guy is going to bring a very big problem to Ebuka Obi if care is not taken. Because he's now the one creating more problem for Ebuka Obi. Okwu Mbaka kwuru na agalo onwe Jpac watchali on the air. Hijack the message. Defend the Ebuka Obi now, no Ebuka Obi can Mbaka na agwa. So, is he trying to tell us now that Ebuka Obi was a fake prophet? Is that what Jpac is trying to tell us? Here now, Kubo, all of Zion should tell Ebuka Obi to caution Jpac. That guy use name here when I cause problem on social media, and he's gradually dragging Ebuka Obi to the mud. If care is not taken, go and check Zion ministry before Jpac abated there. Since what's going on smoothly, on that side, say on Zion ministry until Jpac go better. Today now, everybody now was Zion. And you guys, the members, are not even helping the issue. Somebody got to now your followers post something against Zion. Instead of giving the person ignore, when I watch the person, tabonya Jim Manu. Then the person got to the fusion that and again the new speaker against Zion. The person will start without continue. All one the people with the energy, the strength to continue attacking Zion ministry. It was once for against Zion, would you?